my dear students. I hope all of you are good. This is your maths class and today I am starting unit 8 multiples and factors. Today we will do exercise 8th A and 8th B. So my dear students, open page number 56. This is page number 56 and here unit name multiples and factors. Okay, so first start from multiples. Okay, so what is the multiples? Look at the numbers we get by counting a number respectively. 3 counted 1 times, 3 1 ja 3. 3 counted 2 times, 3 plus 3, 3 2 ja 6. 3 counted 3 times, 3 3 ja 9, and 3 counted 4 times, 3 4 ja 12. Okay, so 3, 6, 9 and 12 are called multiples of 3. Each multiples of 3 is a number we get by counting or multiplying 3 a certain number of times, like 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on are called counting numbers. A multiples of a number, the number multiply a counting number. For example, 4 multiply 1 equal to 4. 4 multiply 2 equal to 8. 4 multiply 3 equal to 12. 4 multiply 4 equal to 16 and so on. So these are called the multiples of 4. We multiply by counting number. So 4, 8, 12 and 16 are called the multiples of 4. Okay. For example, write the first 7 multiples of 2 and 7. So first 7 multiples of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2 7 ja 14, 7. Okay, these are the 7 first multiples of 2. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. So like this 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35 are the first 7 multiples of 5. Okay. On next page, properties of multiples. 4 multiply 1 equal to 4. 4 is a multiple of 4. 7 multiply 1 equal to 7. 7 is a multiple of 7. 9 multiply 1 equal to 9. 9 is a multiple of 9. So a number is a multiple of itself. Okay, a number is a multiple of itself. All numbers are multiples of 1. Okay, so these are two properties. A number is a multiple of itself and all numbers are multiples of 1. Okay, so learn these properties. Now the common multiples. The first 10 multiples of 2, these, and the first 10 multiples of 3, these are. Okay, now common multiples of 2 and 3. So we can see 6 are common, 6 is common, then 12 is common, then 18 is common. Okay, so 6, 12 and 18 are the multiples of 2 and 3. So they are common multiples of 2 and 3. Okay, so like this we take out the common multiples. Now the even and odd numbers. Okay, numbers that leave no remainder by on being divided by 2 are called even number. Okay, you can say that the numbers that are the multiples of 2 are even numbers. Okay, and you can look like this: 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at one place. So this is even numbers. Okay, अगर ये numbers even वंस प्लेस पर होते हैं तो नंबर हमारा इवन होता है. ओके, सम मोर इवन नंबर्स 20, 22 like this. we can check only the last number ones digit. Okay, 2, so this is even number, 4 even number, 0 even number, and 4 even number. So like this we check. Numbers that are not multiples of 2 are called odd numbers. Okay, or 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so these are the numbers. If at the ones place these numbers are here, then the number is a odd number. Okay, so an even number has an even digit at ones place, and an odd number has an odd digit at ones place. Okay, so remember it. Now exercise time. Now exercise 8A at page number 58. First question, fill in the blanks. A part, 5 multiply 6 equal to 30. So 30 is a multiple of 5 and 6. Okay, 5 multiply 6 equal to 30. So 30 is a multiple of 5 and 6. Okay, now B part, 7 multiply 11 equal to 77. So 77 is a multiple of 7 and 11. Okay, now so on. 9 multiply 100 equal to 900. So 900 is a multiple of 9 and 100. D part, 3 multiply 5 multiply 13 equal to 195. So 195 is a multiple of 3, 5 and 13. Okay. Now next is question number 2. Write the first 3 multiples of 2, 3 and 5. So for first 3 multiples of 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2, 2 ja 2, 2 4 and 2 3 ja 6. Start from 1 and count. So first 3 multiples of 2, 2, 4 and 6. Okay, so like this. First 3 multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9. First 3 multiple of 5, 5, 10 and 15. Okay, now first 4 multiples of 4. So like this. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, like this. 4 3 ja 12 and 4 4 ja 16. So these are the first 4 multiples of 4. Okay, like this, 9 and 15. Now question number 4, tick the multiples of a number in the circle. Okay, so here number is in circle is 5. So multiples of 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. So tick the 10. 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25. So tick 25. Then 5 8 ja 40. Then 5 11 ja. After 10 11 ja 55. So 55 is also the multiple of 5. Okay, and 5 12 ja equal to 60. Okay, so 60 is also the multiple of 5. Now the next is 6. So read the table of 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18. So take 18. 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36 and 6 7 ja 42. Then 42 is also the multiple of 6. And then 94, check 94. 6 1 ja 6, 3 and 34. So 34 is not come in the table of 6. So 94 is not the multiple of 6. Okay. Now the multiple of 10, 40, 70 and 200. Okay. So take these numbers. Now question number 5, true and false. 56 is a multiple of 8. Yes, 8 7 is 56. So true. The ninth multiple of 3 is 9. No, the ninth multiple of 3 is 27. Okay, 3 9 is 27. So this is false. Okay. Now C part, the sixth multiple of 5 is 30. Yes, 5 multiply 6 equal to 30. 6 5 is 30 or 5 6 is 30. So it is true. Now 70 and 7,000 are the multiples of 100? Okay, no, this is false because 70 is not a multiple of 100. Okay, now question number 6. So for it you have to take out your notebook. Write in your notebook exercise 8A. Question number 6A part. Write the multiples of 3 that are greater than 20 but less than 35. Okay, so after 20, 21, 24, 27, 30 and 33 are the multiples of 3 that are greater than 20 and less than 35. Okay, so these are the multiples of 3. Now the multiples of 5 that are greater than 25 but less than 50. So read the table of 5. Okay, 5 5 is 25, then 5 6 is 30. So 30, that is greater than 25. Okay, then 35, 40 and 45. Okay, then 5 10 is 50. So it is 50, but we have to write less than 50. So we have to write only 45. Okay, 30, 35, 40 and 45. Now the C part, all multiples of 8 less than 55. So 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56. So but that is greater than 55. So up to 48 we will write. Okay, now the D part, all multiples of 12 that are 2-digit numbers are. So first multiple of 12, 12 1 is 12, then 24, 36, 48, then 60, 72, 84, 96. This table of 12. After 96, what will come? 108. So there 3 digits are there. So up to 96 we have to write. Okay, now the question number 7. Write the first 2 common multiples of 4 and 5. Okay, so first write the multiple of 4 like this. Then multiples of 5 like this. Write the table of 4 and 5. Okay, so first 2 common multiples of 4 and 5 are, so check the common, 20 and 40. So 20 and 40, 2 common multiples of 4 and 5. Okay, so like this you have to do. B and C is your homework. Now the next is question number 8. Write the first 3 common multiples of 2 and 3. So first write the multiples of 2 and then the multiples of 3. Okay, then check 6, 12 and 18. So first 3 common multiples of 2 and 3 are 6, 12 and 18. Okay, so like this you have to do. B and C, it is your homework. Now question number 9. Question number 9 is circle the even numbers and tick the odd number. Okay, so first is 12, 15, 21 and 24. Okay, so 12 is even number, so circle it. 15 odd number, so tick it. 21 is also odd number, so tick it. And 24 is the even number, so circle it. Okay, so like this you have to do these parts also. Okay, now question number 10. Write the even numbers between 47 and 59. So for it, take out your notebook. So the even numbers between 47 and 59 are, after 47, 48, then 50, 52, 54, 56 and 58. Okay, one number gap, there are even numbers. Okay, so like this you have to write the even numbers. Now the B part is write the odd numbers between 50 and 72. Okay, so odd numbers between 50 and 72. After 50, 51, then 53, 55, 57, 59, 61, 63, 65, 67, 69 and 71. Okay, so these are the odd numbers between 50 and 72. Okay, now question number 2 means part 2 homework, and it's also homework. Okay, now question number 11 is write the least odd number of 3 digits and the greatest even numbers of 2 digits. Okay, so the least odd number of 3 digit number is 101, least odd number. Okay, so before it 100 is a even number, so we can't write this. 101 is the least odd number of 3 digit. Okay, now the greatest even number of 2 digit. Okay, 2 digit. Okay, so greatest, first find out the greatest 2 digit number. It is 99, but it is a odd number. We have to write the even number, so -1, 98. 98 the greatest even number of 2 digit number. Okay, so its answer is 98. Okay, now B part is your homework. Okay, now question number 12. Now the question number 12 is write the first 6 2 digit even number. 2 digit even number 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay, 2 digits start from 10. So 2 digit even number 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Now write the last 5 odd numbers that are less than 502. So odd number less than 502, 493, 495, 497, 499 and 501. Okay, now write the first 4 odd numbers that are greater than 997. So 999, 1001, 1003 and 1005. Is there a counting number which is neither even or nor odd? No. Okay, its answer is no. Okay, now your exercise 8A is finished. Now the next is factors at page number 59. Okay, so for example, 8 multiply 9 equal to 72. So 8 and 9 are the factors of 72. 72 is a multiple of 8 and 9. 72 is divisible by 8 and 9. So factors 8 and 9 are the factors of 72. Okay. Now 5 multiply 1 equal to 5. 5 and 1 are the factors of 5. 12 multiply 1 equal to 12. 12 and 1 are the factors of 12. Like this, a number is a factor of itself. 1 is a factor of every number. Okay, so remember it. Okay, learn it. Now, is 8 a factor of 12 and 120? So, you can see 12 divided by 8, remainder is 4. Okay, so remainder is coming, so 8 is not a factor of 12. Now 120 divide 0 remainder, so 8 is a factor of 120. Okay, you can see like this. Okay, remainder will be 0. Now the 6 factors of 24. Okay, so we have to write the 6 factors of 24. First is 1. 1 is always a factor of a number. Okay, now start from 2. 24 is divisible by 2. Yes, so 2 is also a factor of 24. Now check 3. 24 divided by 3. Yes, 3 8 is 24. So 3 is also a factor of 24. Okay, now 4, 5, like this we have to write. Fully divided. Okay, now the exercise time. Exercise 8B. Fill in the blanks. 5 multiply 6 equal to 30. So 5 and 6 are factors of 30. So here you have to fill factors. Now 48, 8 multiply 6. Okay, 48 equal to 8 multiply 6. So 6 and 8 are factors of 48. Now 12 equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. So 2 and 3 and 4 are and 6 are the factors of 12. Now 45 equal to 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. So 3, 5 and 9 and 15 are the factors of 45. Okay, you can see like this. 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. So 3, 3 and 5 and 3 3 ja 9 and 5 3 ja 15. These are also the factors of 45. Okay. Now 16 and 9 are the factors of 144. So 144 is divisible by 16 and 9 both. Now question number 2. In each of the following is the first number a factor of the second number? So here you have to write yes or no. So check. 76 divide by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 3, 36, 9. 36 0. Remainder is 0. So yes, it is a factor of 76. Okay, so like this you have to check, divide and check your answers. Okay, now in each of the following is the second number a factor of the first number? So same, 78 divided by 13. 6 ja 78, 0 remainder. So yes, it is a factor of 78. Okay, so write yes. Okay, so like this you have to write, check and write the answer. First two factors of the following numbers other than 1 and the number itself. Okay, first two factors we have to write other than 1 and the number itself. So 75. So after 1 2 come. So 2 3 ja 6, 1 and 2 7 ja 40. Remainder is 1. So 2 is not a factor. Now 3. After 2 3. Check. 3 2 ja 6 and 3 5 ja 15. Okay, so remainder is 0. So 3 is a factor of 75. Then after 3 4 is not is a factor. Now check the 5. 5 1 ja 5 and 5 5 ja 25. Remainder is 0. So 3 and 5 are the factors of 75 other than 1 and the number itself. Okay, so like this we have to do these parts also. Now the question number 6. Which of the following numbers are the factors of 180? If the number 180 is divisible by these numbers, so tick, otherwise don't tick. So 1 always 180 yes, division 180 check. 2 9 ja 18, 0 and 0. So yes, remainder is 0. Like this check. 3 3 6 ja 18, Yes, remainder is 0. So 3 is also a factor of 180. Now check 4. 184. 4 4 ja 16. 4 5 ja 20. Remainder is 0. So 4 is also a factor. 6 is also 6 3 ja 18. 10 is also 12, 15 and 180 is a factors of 180. Okay, so like this you have to tick. First check and then tick. Like this you have to do B part. Now the question number 7, write all the factors of the following numbers. So for it you have to take out your notebook. Write in your notebook exercise 8B, page number 60. Write all the factors of the following numbers. So first is 10. So 1 is always a factor of any number. So no need to write. First write the 1 and then 2. 2 5 ja 10. Okay, yes, it is a factor of 10. 2 is a factor of 10. Then in 3 table 10 don't come. Then 4, then 5. 5 2 ja 10. Okay, so 5 is also a factor of 10 and 10 itself. So 1, 2, 5 and 10 are the factors of 10. Like this 20, 2 multiply 10, so 2 and 4 multiply 5, so 4, 5 multiply 5, 10 and 20 itself. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 are the factors of 20. Okay, like this you have to do. C and D part. E part I have done for you. So you can check from here. Okay. Do it like this. Okay. Now I am going to stop this video. Do all the work properly and homework also. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.